Wow, people think some crazy things about what a chiropractic adjustment does. So let's get it straight. Adjustments are performed using the hands or a small tool to apply a painless and precise movement to the spine. All we're doing is realigning the spine to allow clear communication between the brain and the nervous system. The nervous system runs through our spine and is connected to everything in the body, which helps the brain control everything we do and feel. When the spine is misaligned, the brain can't communicate and we end up with some problems like daily pain, headaches, lack of sleep, stress, anxiety, digestive issues, and so much more. Adjustments can restore the communication, allowing the body to respond to life on a physical, chemical, and emotional level. Basically, adjustments allow the brain to communicate with the body so that the body can take care of itself. It's designed for it. Click below to learn more about chiropractic adjustments, the natural and effective path to healing and living your best life.